Did you know how beneficial green peas are for your health? Green peas, these tiny emerald orbs, aren't just a staple side dish. They're a nutritional powerhouse, packed with proteins, fibers, and a plethora of vitamins and minerals. From ancient times, peas have held a cherished place in our diet, their humble presence concealing their mighty health benefits. Whether it's in the era of the pharaohs or in today's modern kitchens, green peas have always been more than just a pretty plate companion. Now let's delve into the amazing health benefits of green peas. So, what makes green peas so good for you? Well, let's delve into the health benefits of these little green gems. First off, green peas are high in fiber and protein, two key components that help keep you feeling full and satisfied. A single cup of cooked green peas contains about 8 grams of fiber and 8 grams of protein. This dynamic duo not only aids in weight management, but also keeps your heart healthy by reducing cholesterol levels. Next up, green peas are low in fat. Yes, you heard it right. They are a great source of plant-based protein without the added fat found in many other protein sources. This makes them an excellent choice for those looking to maintain a healthy weight or even shed a few pounds. Another impressive feature of green peas is their antioxidant content. They're packed full of health-promoting phytonutrients like vitamin C, vitamin E, and zinc that combat oxidative stress, reducing the risk of various health conditions like heart disease and cancer. Now let's talk about blood sugar. Green peas have a low glycemic index, which helps manage blood sugar levels. They contain natural compounds called saponins, which have been found to support blood sugar control, making them a smart choice for people with diabetes or anyone looking to maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Remember those high fiber contents we talked about earlier? They also play an essential role in promoting healthy digestion. The fiber in green peas adds bulk to your stool, helping prevent constipation and maintaining a healthy gut. Green peas also help boost your immune system. They're rich in vitamin C, which stimulates the production of white blood cells, the body's primary defense against infections. Lastly, green peas are good for your eyes. They contain lutein and zeaxanthin, two carotenoids that promote eye health and protect against age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. These benefits are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the power of green peas. Wondering how to incorporate more green peas into your diet? Well, let's get creative. Green peas are incredibly versatile and can be added to a variety of dishes. For a quick and easy addition, try tossing a handful of green peas into your salad for a pop of color and a nutrient boost. Are you a soup enthusiast? Green peas can be the perfect addition to your favorite soup, adding a sweet, fresh flavor and a vibrant green color. Pasta lovers, rejoice! Green peas can make a delicious and nutritious addition to your favorite pasta dishes. But if you want to get a little more adventurous, why not try making a green pea hummus? It's a tasty and unique spin on the traditional chickpea hummus, and it's sure to delight your taste buds. Remember, eating a variety of foods is key to a balanced diet, so don't hesitate to experiment and find new ways to enjoy green peas in your meals. So, are you ready to give green peas a chance? By now, we've fully grasped the substantial health benefits that green peas offer. They're packed with nutrients, promote good digestion, and help regulate your blood sugar. Even better, they're incredibly versatile, easily incorporated into meals, snacks, and even desserts. Let's all make an effort to enjoy these little green gems more often. Don't forget to subscribe to The Altruist for more health and wellness videos. See you next time.